Hey, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life. If you're new to the channel, check out the channel, hit that subscribe button, check out that join option we have down there also for membership. If you're returning, what up? I know you're a part of the J-Hen crew already. Today we're doing an unboxing, you guys. Check it out. I finally got one of these spinners. I ordered one of these spinners, you know. It's almost should be like a thing where it says, if you're a person that be on TikTok, you see how they say, TikTok made me buy it, so I kind of ordered this right here. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. So if you want to get you one of these, you can. I'm going to just go ahead, open it up, show you guys what all I have in box in here. It's by, I think it's the cleaning brush. It's an 8-in-1 cleaning brush, and then it also comes with an additional like toilet bowl cleaner. So we're going to go ahead and see what this brush and spinning brush here is all about. They say you can use it in your bathrooms, kitchens, on your floors, in your vehicles, on windows, glass, mirrors, all that type of stuff, stoves, countertops. So we're about to put this to use, and it is rechargeable. It's supposed to be easy to clean, and it has, I think, 8 different attachments. 8 in 1, you guys. Let's go. Okay, so as you see right here in the box, you can see all the accessories right there and how it's set up once you open the box. So right there you do have your wide flat brush, then you have your fiber sponge. So there's the large flat brush. Okay, then you have your cloth and your wool cloth. Then right there is the sponge, and that's kind of your scraper right there. You know, you can use that for like the stoves and scraping rough surfaces. Then right here is the main base. So we'll just take that out the wrapper right there. So right there at the end, they have the piece where you can attach the accessories to. It's made out of all plastic right there on the outside. Now they do call that area, says you can move it into what they call gears, and it says you can move it into about 6 positions, I believe. Goes into like a 180-degree angle. So, and there's a lever right there so it can lock in place for each of the 6 gears that it can go in. Then right there is your charging port, which takes a Type-C USB charger. So then they did have the rules. I mean, not the rules, but they have the instruction manual that comes right there inside the box as well. Then that is the actual toilet brush. And there's probably like a attachment for that. There's the small brush, small flat brush. And then that's like the crevice, the attachment that you would use for like cleaning the crevices and things like that. Or they call it a corner brush. So right there is just that Type-C cord. You do need your own like block or wall charger piece to go with it. But again, they also have a quick guide and quick instruction guide in there. So in case you don't want to read the full instruction manual and just need some quick, easy steps to get you going. So right there, you do get some length with this by adding these 2 attachments together. As well as there's a length release button and adjuster that gives you even more length. Oh, and on the end there is like a area where if you did want to hang it up, you can hang it up because there is like that area at the end. Then that piece just goes to the toilet bowl cleaner piece, and you just screw it on and it's in there. All right, that's all ready to go. And when ready to use, you can just attach that onto there, and then you can get to using it to clean those toilets.
And you can just easily snap the accessories on and kind of snap them off. All right, then you see all the length that we have just by adding on that accessory right there. So if you needed to clean the floors, you don't have to get all the way down there. If you needed to clean up on the ceiling or high areas, you have a lot of length with this cleaning brush. So there it is where you can adjust the length even longer. So if you were trying to get real high places, real low places. And right here, I use that corner brush to clean off the toilet and the baseboards in the bathroom. And again, I use like bleach foaming cleaner, so you might not see it, but I did spray bleach on there. I mean a bleach cleaner, a cleaner with like disinfectant bleach in it, so you might not see it right here, but when I use this brush to clean off the door, you'll see that that has more foam on it. But I did use like that bleach disinfectant, and I went over it again, but this is just a fast quick video for you guys. It worked really well with cleaning my baseboards off. And there it is. I used the large flat brush on the floor. Again, I just sprayed some stuff down on the floor. Then I did go over the floor and with the mop and mop it after. But it was able to get up a lot of stains. And then this really worked very well on the door and on the crevices. And all that area right there, the baseboards, I used that all over my first floor of my house. Cleaning all the white parts above the door.